Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on this dark blue one. I'm just bringing in a black box, see if it looks any different. And it does on this. And before I deleted this, I started playing around with it and came up with this. And I really wasn't going to make a video. And then I came back in my office and it was up on the screen and just kind of like, bam, it just hit me that it was pretty special. So all I did is made two of these. So this is part two. And you can see that the light blue one is smaller. They weren't even created at the same time. So you could maybe create them at the same time and maybe even do them better. But it's behind the other one. So I'm going to Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. While holding down the Shift key, I'm going to bring it in, and the Shift key brings it in from the center. And then go Object, Order, back a page again. And then Control D again. Control D again, and bring it in again. And then go up to Object, Order, back a page. And if you're happy with that, then you could group the whole thing, Control G, Control D, and then you're going to do more at one time. And go up to Object, Order, back a page. And see, that one's just a hair maybe bigger, so let's make it point, or is it 67? Anyway, you can just keep going and then group that together, Control G, Control D to duplicate that, two-sided arrow, bring it in. Sometimes it's kind of hard to see. And then go Object, Order, back a page, and you get that. Now I'm off. Some of them aren't equal, and there's a little bit of a white spot there, and you could, make it by holding down the Shift key. It will grow from the outside. Well, now I think I've got it all grouped together. But if you look at that closely, it's really pretty cool. I mean, you don't need to do that. I mean, look at the shadowing and the ripple effect and the dark, like the dark wave, the light green. I'm almost thinking about drawing this better and taking it to my printer friend and have him print it out. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.